Number 5. Sony ZV-1. Fast Hybrid AF, Real-Time IAF3 and Real-Time AF Tracking. Quickly switch between two modes of defocused background bokeh. Product showcase setting transitions focus from face to object. Face Priority A keeps faces bright in backlit or dim condition. Rechargeable battery pack, NPBX1, micro USB cable, windscreen adapter, strap. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. 20.1 megapixel 1.0 stacked CMOS sensor and Digicade image processor. 4.2x optical zoom lens, 24 to 100 mm f/1.8 to 2.8, with optical image stabilizer. 4K 30p/FHD 120p video. Turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, Mac and Windows, to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Sony Alpha A6600. World's fastest AF at 0.02 seconds width/real-time AF and object tracking. Wide 425 phase/425 contrast detection AF points over 84% of sensor. Up to 11 fps continuous shooting at 24:2 MP RAW W/AF/A tracking. Real-time AF tracking real-time IAF for human-animal movie. 5-axis in-body image stabilization 5-step shutter speed advantage. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Shoot stunning video with up to 5K resolution, perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. 20MP photo with Super Photo, capture crisp, pro-quality photos with 20MP clarity. Front display plus rear touchscreen makes for easy framing and intuitive camera control. Live stream in 1080p on social, get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast. Experience the ultimate smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization ever. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Canon EOS 90D. High image quality with 32.5 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor. High speed continuous shooting of up to 10 fps with no time lag during off shooting. 4K UHD 30p/Full HD 120p video. 45-point all-cross Type AF system supports up to 27 points with an f/8 metering. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, Mac and Windows, to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Please check the description for details and best price.